Hey, hi, I'm going to take you through this app. It's called Love Spouse Pro. And maybe you have a new toy, you're wondering how you're going to really connect with this app, how you're going to use the app. So I'm going to take you through all the features from solo play to long distance control so that you can get the most out of this app and also from your device. Okay, now you need to really know the main three things is one, you need to first actually charge your kind of toy. You have to charge it fully. And two, you need a smartphone. Make sure your smartphone, the Bluetooth is turned on. Almost every phone has a Bluetooth. Three is you need to actually get to Play Store or Apple Store, download the app, create your account. You have to open the app. You need to create a quick account and, all that stuff. And the app will give you actually a unique ID that your partner can use to connect with you. Okay, so during the actually installation, the app will give you an ID that you can actually use. Okay, something like this ID, something like that, something like that. Okay, now after creating the after creating the app, sorry, after creating your account, you have to pair up your device. Okay, you have to pair up your device. Make sure your toy is on. Your smartphone is actually also have Bluetooth enabled. So place and hold the power button on your toy until the light starts blinking. This means it's in a pairing mode. Within the app, you can actually within the app you see a device icon somewhere on in the corner where you can actually tap and scan the devices which are nearby you. Okay, so you can really scan and add these devices. So before you start using this app, you have to actually scan and add the device. Okay, now there are kind of several modes I can say within the app. There's actually the solo play. If you're kind of going to use the app toy by yourself, you have some amazing options. You have the classic mode. This is the most standard control. And you will see a slider on the screen. Just slide your finger up and down to control the intensity of the vibrations in real time. Simple and it's very effective. Okay, they have other modes that you see in the app, music, pattern, and all that stuff. You can actually even create your own pattern. Okay, for long distance and partner play, this is the main. Actually, most people use this app for long distance. Okay, and it's designed to help you connect with your partner no matter where they are in the world. Now, before you use it with your partner, you have to add your partner here. You need to add your partner. You go to the remote or control section and add them using the Love Spouse ID. So your partner has to send you his ID so that you can kind of connect with him, or you can actually send them a special invitation link via the WhatsApp or maybe another messenger so that you can actually, link up with you. Once you're connected, you can give them control. When you do this, their phone screen will turn into a control interface and they can make the toy, do whatever it has to do from anywhere with an internet connection. So you both of you have to be with an internet connection. Okay, within the app, there's actually video chat controls. You can share patterns that you actually set up, okay, and all other stuff. Okay, so things that to know is for solo play, when you're using the Bluetooth, your phone needs to be within about 10 meters or 30 feet of the toy. Okay, for long distance play, the range is literally limitless. As long as both of you have a stable internet connection, you can actually do that. Privacy, the app will ask you for permissions like access to your microphone for the music mode. So be aware of what you're allowing for any remote features. Only connect to the partner you completely trust. Okay, your privacy is paramount. Okay, so that's what I can say about this app, and they have a pro version. And always try to update actually this app to the latest, because sometimes it really refuses to work on some phones for some reasons. It doesn't refuse to work on some phones, but sometimes some phones actually kind of have some glitches. But I believe you just have to have the latest update so that you can make use of the app. Okay, let me know what you think about LiveSparse Pro, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're kind of a person who's interested in random apps which exist in the world, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.